In this video is I'm going to create a bit of CSS. If we look at our website here, I want to change the header color, for example. So you can change the header colors within the Bootstrap CSS. They have things like primary or danger or these types of styles. Or you can just override them completely, which is what I'd suggest you do. So background dark, right? That might sound right because it's got a charcoal black color to it, but we're going to rechange. I'm going to make it blue, I think, for some reason. Blue sounds good to me. So background dark with that. If I wanted to change that permanently, right, I go up to, I copy that, I go into my CSS file here, and then I press paste, okay, and I can press save and go back to our website now. And because our style sheet, if we go back to my index page, which is here, because our style sheet is up here, you see this one? That's our style sheet that I already linked this in this template that you're using. But if you're adding any more style sheets to this of your own, make sure you put them under the Bootstrap core styles, because obviously we're overriding the navbar dark, and that rule is in here. So if we had our style saying navbar dark is blue above it, the browser will come down, read all this, and then say, no, it's not, it's charcoal grey. So always put your style sheets under the Bootstrap styles. I'm obviously going to just go in here. I've noticed that the carousel here is riding quite high up underneath that nav bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can move it down a little bit. So there's our carousel. It's called carousel. I'm going to basically do a margin top. See if I can bring it down. Let's just do like 80 pixels a minute and just see what happens. Oh. Does that make any difference? Try 180, see if it's... Oh, there it is there, look. So I'm just going to... Oh. Okay, yeah, it's a bit much. I'm obviously going to do it a bit less than that. Going to do 50, 40, 30, that'll do. So I'm now going to override the carousel styles for Bootstrap, copy that, come back to my CSS, into here. Now, I have a choice, right? I should really, to make sense of all of this, I can copy and paste these, like the comment at the top, and I can write in my own section. So here I'm going to say like things like content area. And I'm going to say up here, header. Yeah, and then I can even do another one down here called like footer and stuff like that. So you should basically break up your style sheet and put little comments above them, so you know where to go. It's everything in the headers up at the top, anything in the content areas in the middle, and the footers at the bottom. And you can have other ones like things like typography or fonts, and then just put all of those specific styles in those particular areas. Okay, so once you've done that and you've put in the carousel, you probably don't need the top one because that was already there. We're only just trying to put the margin in, save it, go back to here. And look, now we have a bit of margin on the top there, and it looks pretty good. I've added some styles to the page, and things are starting to take shape.